Okay, so sa pagpapatuloy ng ating aralin, ang review session para sa ating Project SOAR o ang series of online academic reviews in mathematics, mag-proceed tayo sa isang mathematics subject naman sa senior high school kung saan ang magiging review teacher natin ay walang iba kundi si Sir Audric D. Siya ay teacher 2 ng mataas na paaralang Neptali A. Gonzales. So Sir Audric, it's your turn na po. Good luck sa inyo and enjoy teaching.
So, hello! Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. So, ang tatalakayin natin ay discrete and continuous variables mula sa statistics and probability. Pero bago lahat yan, i-discuss ko po ano po ang objectives. At the end of the lesson, the students are expected to illustrate discrete and continuous random variables. Distinguish the difference between discrete and continuous random variables. Okay. So, bago lahat, let me discuss what the random variables are. Okay, when we say random variables, a random variable, also known as X, is a variable wherein numbers are possible outcomes of a random phenomenon. It can be classified as discrete or continuous. So, my example here is the faces of the coin. Okay, so what will I do with each of them? So, what can I do is to toss them. So, itotoss ko sila to produce possible outcomes. So, ang maaaring maging possible outcomes sa dalawang coins ay head-head, tail-tail, tail-head, head-tail. So, yun po yung mga possible outcomes ng tossing of two coins. Okay, so now we're going to discuss the discrete random variable. When we say discrete random variables, these are random variables where the observed numerical value are produced by counting and assumes whole numbers only. So its examples include the following: number of coin tosses, number of faces of a die, number of fingers. So do you remember sets, namely finite and infinite, back when we are in grade 7? So naalala niyo po ba yon? Pag sinabing finite set, countable siya. Para siyang discrete random variable dahil nabibilang siya through whole number. So, yun sa number of fingers, nabibilang nyo to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yung 10 na yun po ang whole number, which makes the number of fingers qualified as a discrete random variable. So, paano yung number of faces of a die? Diba, 6 sila. Diba, nakikita mo numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yung 6 na yun, isa pa rin yung whole number, which makes the number of pieces of a die qualified as a discrete random variable. Ganun din sa number of coin tosses. So, it can be 1, it can be 2, it can be 3, it can be 4. So, basta whole number siya. Pag sinabing whole number kasi, 1 pataas. Basta 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Pati 0. Kasama rin si 0. Okay, so here are the examples of discrete variables. Okay, so first, number of crayons inside the box. So as we see that there are 64 crayons, this 64 is a whole number which makes this variable discrete. How about the family members? So there are 6 members. So namely lolo, lola, papa, mama, mga anak. So it means to say the number 6 makes this variable discrete. How about the number of containers of candy? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So this 15 makes this variable discrete. So as long as whole numbers lang ang description ng bawat variable, discrete siya. And besides, countable sila, no matter how many they are. When we say continuous variable, okay, continuous random variables are random variables where the observed numerical values are results of measuring and may take on any numbers contained within any numerical interval. So it means to say, pasok doon si fraction, pasok doon si decimal, whether terminating or repeating. Pasok din si whole number. So, balikan na natin yung sets. Si infinite sets ay parang si continuous kasi hindi siya talaga mabibilang ng maayos. So, it's not normally countable. It's uncountable in short. So, hindi talaga siya mabibilang through whole numbers lang talaga. So, it can be measured with whole number, fraction, or decimal. So, its examples include the following. Number of hair, number of raindrops, number of sun. Bakit sila continuous? Dahil infinite sila at saka hindi sila nabibilang. Okay, so here are the examples of continuous variables. So first, the weight. Bakit weight? Kasi it can be described by decimal or fraction or whole number. Likewise with the height, likewise with the temperature. Basta, any physical quantity ay continuous variable, kagaya ng speed, velocity, acceleration, volume, and the like. So, for example, my weight is 141.5 pounds. So, yung 0.5 na yun ay decimal, which makes the weight qualified as the continuous random variable. My height is 165 and 1/4 centimeters, which makes the height continuous kasi yung fraction, yung 1/4 na yun eh. Whenever temperature check ako sa school, sa malls, okay, sabihin natin 36.5 approximately. Yung 0.5 na yun ay decimal, which makes the temperature qualified as a continuous variable. Okay. So here are the applications of discrete and continuous variables. Okay, first, for Miss Math 2021 candidates are vying for the title Miss Math 2021. Here are the percentage breakdown and tally of votes. So according to this table, si Gina ang nakakuha ng 480 votes and with a percentage of 29.09%. Habang si Helen naman ang nakakuha ng 450 votes with a percentage of 27.27%. While si Karen naman ang nakakuha ng 300 votes with a percentage of 18.18%, while si Pia ang nakakuha ng 420 votes with a percentage of 25.46%. So, ang pag tinotal mo sila magiging 1,650 votes. And yung total ng percentage ay magiging 100%. Okay, so ang gagawin po natin is i-distinguish natin kung discrete ba siya o continuous. So, alin man dyan yung discrete? Oh. Bakit discrete yung number of votes? Kasi, napapansin mo, whole numbers lang eh. Tao lang kasi ang bumuboto sa kanila. Yung tao kasi, the number of people kasi, discrete yun. So, the number of votes as well. So, how about the percentage? Bakit siya continuous? Kasi, decimal, una sa lahat. Decimal. Okay, so, another example. Okay, Portia went to the grocery store and she bought the following items. Okay, she bought one toothpaste worth 157.20 pesos. She bought one shampoo worth 183.50 pesos, while she bought 3 soaps worth 127.50, where each soap cost 42.50 pesos, while she bought 2 alcohols worth 126.60 pesos with a price of 663.30 per alcohol. So, alin man dyan yung discrete? Yung number of products bought kasi whole number. Dito naman po continuous yung price or maski total kasi decimal po siya. Okay, so we're going to have a warm-up exercise. Okay. So, isipin natin ang discrete ay countable while si continuous hindi countable. Si discrete ay whole numbers lamang, si continuous naman ay fraction, decimal, or whole number. So, okay. Una, we're going to determine whether the example is a discrete or continuous variable. The number of students in MPNAG, discrete or continuous? Tignan natin. Discrete. Bakit discrete? Kasi tao ang mga students sa MPNAG and they can be described by a whole number only. Kahit hundreds o libo sila, basta whole number. How about the amount of water? We'll see. Bakit siya continuous? Kasi una sa lahat, yung water kasi it can be measured through volume. So, hindi mo mabibilang si water. So, yung matitimbang mo siya, ang ikakalabas yan, decimal or fraction ang lalabas yan. Likewise, with the speed of car, hindi natin sila mabibilang, kaya siya continuous. How about the number of houses at the village? Okay, you see, discrete. Kasi, structure ang house eh. And, nabibilang kasi ang houses sa bawat village. How about amount of money? Oh. Sabihin natin number of bills and coins are discrete, pero ang usapang amount. Kaya siya continuous kasi yung amount of money can be either fraction or decimal. So, do not forget to subscribe the MTM channel and keep and stay tuned to our videos in this channel. So, have a great day and God bless you and happy learning. Enjoy watching this video and I hope you'll enjoy learning this subject during the new normal. God bless you, stay safe, and happy learning.